BBQ Rando here. Hey, we got a real unique fountain tonight to show you. And I'm going to show you the long way the package is. You can see these are stick fountains, all right? But if I turn it around, you can see it's by World-Class Fireworks, right? And it's called Golden Empire. These look really cool. So, again, and they're pretty long, so you get 4 pieces. When I first saw these being sold at the tents down here, I actually thought it was a real rocket, and I was like, oh my goodness. Just like anything else here with a fountain, right? You have to go ahead, be careful. You make sure you light the fuse and get away, right? So I'm really curious about these. I want to see what these are all about. So let's go to the Specialized, again, launch pad and see what we can find tonight. Stand by. Okay, so BBQ Rando has one here. I have it into a steel pipe, and I have it facing so you can see World Class. You can see Golden Empire. I'm really curious to see how long this will last, especially since you get 4 of them. Let's see. Golden Empire. Whoa. Oh, it's still thinking there. There we go. Not bad. Not bad. You know what I'm going to say? BBQ. 3 more to go.